So the rule, as Katie mentioned, does propose that all lead and galvanized requiring replacement service lines be replaced within 10 years. That will go into effect in 2027 with an end date of October 2037. So right now you have a little more than 14 years to pull that off. So this includes full replacements of all lines under control of the water system, with under control being defined as having adequate access for replacement. And systems serving over 50,000 people need to make sure that this plan is publicly available. Partial replacements are prohibited under this rule, except in very limited scenarios. And if you replace only the lead gooseneck or lead connector, that does not count as a partial replacement. However, that does count as a major disturbance, and a filter needs to be provided to the resident. Water utilities must make at least 4 attempts to engage property owners about full service line replacement. You need a method to track that. And one key difference between the LCRI and the LCRR is the requirement that lead and galvanized requiring replacements be replaced. Under the LCRR, these service lines could remain in your system as long as you do not exceed the action level at the 90th percentile. So that's the biggest change with the replacements going into this proposed rule.